I'm gonna put the spice. Yeah, oh, hi! Welcome back to One Good Thing at Home. I've got a spice drawer that is a mess. I can't tell what things are. I need the space, and so I went looking for a solution, and today I've got one for you. I was looking for a solution to clean up my spice drawer, and even though this is a big kitchen, I wanted a small space solution, which every space needs. So I found this great company called MakeRoom on Etsy, and there are others like this. This is a whole thing. They have these little metal shelves that have screw holes, and they also have adhesives, and then they have these jars with little magnets on them, and look at this. Look at how exciting this is. I can take all of my spices out of the drawer. I am so excited. I can't, dying to do this. This is like the funnest thing in the world. I'm gonna keep the bulk because what I'm doing is I'm moving to bulk. So I'm gonna keep these in cold storage. And eventually I'll only have bulk and my perfect 15 jars. But now I want to talk about filling the bottles because that's really, no, putting the labels on is really satisfying. And I was worried it was going to be complicated and it would stress me out. But you put this little guide thing on that they send you. So you take your label, really nice, and you line it up perfectly. So they're all going to be like absolutely perfect. And look at that. Oh! And for those that you don't have names, you get to hand draw it. And I drew it a few times. I think it's pretty good. This reminds me of like the old Dean DeLuca labels, which I really liked. Also, it totally stressed me out until I realized there was this little trick. You just take a little paper and it just goes right in. Right to the top. Look at that. Look at that. I put my little, it's like I'm working in the North Pole. Like I'm an elf. I love it. I'm gonna install my little platelets here, and I'm gonna use their little 3M stickers. So you gotta make sure the surface is really clean. So I wanna go right here in the center, and I wanna do 2 inches, and then I'm gonna mark it. Bingo. Ta-da! There we go. And here's my bulk. I put this far down below in a cabinet where I don't need to get it every day. And all of these higgledy-piggledy jars, plastic and glass, I'm taking them to recycling, and I'll see you next week.
Action.
So I was, where do I begin? I need action again. Hi. I need one more time.
Action.
So, oh, crap, let me start again.
Action again, we're doing
It always helps to hear action. I don't know why, but it really works.